Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Akshita, and in this channel we talk about makeup, skincare, lifestyle and some general daily vlogging that I try to make entertaining for you all. So in today's video we are going to talk about do's and don'ts of skincare. Some do's that if you're not doing you should start inculcating in your skincare routine, and some don'ts which you're probably doing and you should stop right away. So if you are interested in this, please keep watching till the very end and let's get started. Okay, so the first point here is always do your research. It is very important guys. It's not important that if एक product किसी के लिए काम कर रहा है, it will work for you also. Yes, it is true that majority of the products जो अच्छे products हैं that will work on majority of the skin, but it also depends on the fact that if your skin is sensitive, if your skin is allergic to some ingredients, if some ingredient suits you or not. So ये सब चीज़ है that you will have to find on your own. It is best to study things properly, and even if कोई ऐसा product है that you have already brought, then make sure you do a patch test before applying it a full face of that product. So do a patch test, do your research, and then only go ahead and buy that product. Okay, so the next thing is always inculcate one product at a time in your skincare routine. अगर कोई new product add करना है, कोई new face wash है, cream है, serum है, anything, एक product one and a half months एक बार में. So इससे आपको क्या होगा, पता चलेगा कि क्या आपके लिए काम कर रहा है, क्या नहीं कर रहा है. बहुत बार you get acne, it doesn't suit your skin. So in this way, if you have not added 2-3 products at once, you will come to know quickly that okay, this is not working for me and this I'm not gonna use any further. So it will be very helpful for you. Okay, the next point is people often think that the more expensive the product, the more effective it would be, which is not true at all. Let me tell you, expensive होने का कोई guarantee नहीं है कि expensive होने से it will be effective also. So don't make this mistake. हाँ, there are many skincare products that are expensive and also effective, but expensive होना कोई guarantee नहीं देता that the product will be effective also. So always use the product that works for your skin and do not see the cost कि if ये expensive है तो ये work करेगा ही करेगा. There is no guarantee to it. Another point that you should keep in mind is do not use the same actives twice in your skincare routine. एक ही active, एक ही ingredient, for example glycolic acid. Glycolic acid, if you are using it in the form of serum, use the serum. Do not go for the cream based glycolic acid at the same time कि दिन में serum use कर लिया, रात में cream use कर लिया. No, doesn't work like that. If you are starting to use one thing, whether a cream or a serum or anything, पहले उसको यूज़ करो, complete it, finish it completely and then go for the next one, because दोनों साथ में combine will not give you any result or may make your skin conditions worsen, because कितना percentage में glycolic acid है उस serum में and उस cream में also matters a lot. So you should take care, sorry guys, you should take care of all of these things and make sure that you are very थॉटफुल कि आप क्या यूज़ कर रहे हो, किस परसेंटेज में यूज़ कर रहे हो एंड किस इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ यूज़ कर रहे हो. डू नॉट इनकलकेट विटामिन सी प्रोडक्ट्स विथ अ ट्रांसपेरेंट पैकेजिंग. So always use vitamin C products that have an opaque packaging, because vitamin C is photosensitive ingredient and उससे अगर if it is directly allowing, if a bottle is directly allowing a sunlight to go inside, go through the bottle in transparent packaging, the vitamin C will get damaged and then उसका कोई भी यूज़ नहीं है, वो ख़राब हो जाएगा vitamin C sunlight में, and then even if you use it on your skin, उसका कोई भी फ़ायदा नहीं दिखेगा स्किन पे. So it's best to use vitamin C that has an opaque bottle. I'll give an example of the Plum vitamin C serum. It is a really good serum with a opaque black bottle. So वैसा ही यूज़ करो. And ऑलवेज रिमेंबर विटामिन सी यूज़ करने के बाद डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई योर सनस्क्रीन, बिकॉज अगेन इफ़ यू वांट द बेनिफिट्स इट इज़ important to apply sunscreen. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it and I hope it was informational. If you really liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you with more such informational and some entertaining vlogs type of content. See you soon.